Happy holidays from Encintas. Thought I'd bring a real gem to you all for one of the final ones of the year. So this is an old kind of farm looking house, and it's on South Vulcan. You're right across the street from where the lumber yard is, and we're literally right downtown Encinitas. Probably call this Swami's is right over there. So this is a premier location. Of course, the structure itself is like to be optimistic, but it's non-salvageable. But so this is a development deal. We'll just take a quick look. I mean, the inside is it's a little rough. Smells like old California. Awesome painting on the wall there. Yeah. Actually, I didn't even check out upstairs yet. Look at this. Oh boy. This is special. Holy smokes. So this place was allegedly built, hopefully I don't go through the floor, in 1940. Got some creative stuff going on the walls. Windows are boarded up because I don't know if there's any windows. I haven't seen one quite this good in a while. Normally I'd say bring your hammer, but in this case I'd say bring your bulldozer. Look at these stairs. That is awesome. So, lot's 5,000 feet. I mean, okay, you're just looking at the location here. So you do have, this was probably an ADU back in the day. Pretty sure they were growing weed in there. And there is an alley that's right here, but it's about roughly 6 feet above grade from here. You have this power pole that the city of Encinitas was supposed to put all these underground about 10 years ago. But they're too busy concerning themselves with our gas stoves and things of that nature. Anyway, that's what's going on here. Any of you developer guys got a bulldozer and some pocket change, give me a call. Happy holidays, everybody.